Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and I'm back with the stock split video. And there are a couple of stocks that is gonna split in December, and they are big. And if you wanna take advantage of this opportunity, then do watch this video till end. I'm gonna share some quick tips at the end on how you can actually leverage this opportunity to your advantage. So do stick around, and with that, let's start. Okay, so before we dive first let's understand what a stock split actually means, right? So stock split is nothing but a phenomena in the stock market wherever a company sees that it has the stock prices has gone too high, and they wanna kind of attract more retail investor into the stock. That's when they go for the stock split. In terms of just by the valuation, you would see that it doesn't really changes the company's total market capitalization. It just reduces the stock price in case of a stock split, right? So if it is like a forward stock split, there is also a reverse stock split, which is the opposite of the forward one, where they kind of reduce the number of outstanding shares in the market. In a forward stock split, you're basically increasing the liquidity by splitting the stock, right? So just for an example, if a stock price is 100 and they announce 4 for 1 stock split, the new price is gonna be 25 per share, but it in reality it doesn't changes anything in terms of the stock price or the market valuation. Okay, the first stock in the list is Tractor Supply, ticker symbol TSCO, right? And this is a pretty old company. So, in terms of company, right, Tractor Supply is the largest, I would say, rural lifestyle retailer in the United States, and it was founded back in 1938, right, as a mail order tractor parts. But they have grown now to they have stores all across USA, and they are mainly they sell a wide range of products for farmers, ranchers, pet owners, homeowners, right? So they have a lot of product line, and they basically cater to a niche market of recreational farmers, the hobby farmers, and the suburban and rural homeowners, right? So they are pretty big, not in too much in the metro, but if you go on the rural side, they are pretty big on their supplies, right? So that was the Tractor Supply Company. And in terms of the stock split, they have the board of directors have announced 5 for 1 stock split, and that's gonna be effective. They're gonna take record on December 16th, and this will be effective when the market opens on December 20, right? So that's the stock split, 5 for 1. And if you go back to the Tractor Supply prices, right, so it's kind of running at around I would say 300 range. So if you do 5 for 1, right, so post split, this is gonna be a $60 stock, which would be pretty affordable. If you look at their kind of history, right, they have a pretty much very stable company in terms of like a 5-year growth chart too. They have pretty nice looking graph. This is the graph that every stock would wanna look like, and they have a pretty good graph in terms of even during the covers like all the pandemic and everything, right? So this is a pretty nice looking graph for the company. And I would say if you are interested, then this would give you some time to grow until that run up. Even after that, once the liquidity increases, this stock is gonna go up. Now moving on to the second one, right, which is Palo Alto Network, ticker symbol PANW, and this is right now almost a $400 stock. And if you look at their graph, right, they have kind of after like I think September they did 2022 they did a stock split. After that, they have multi-fold on the prices, and they are going to do another one here. So Palo Alto Network, right, in terms of company, they are pretty big in cybersecurity. I would say they're leading global cybersecurity company, and they were founded in 2005, and they have kind of a pioneer in terms of the next generation firewall tech, and a major player in cloud native security solutions, right? And they have multiple products in terms of network security, cloud security, and AI powered security operations, right? So they have operations in more than 150 countries, and with 85% of the Fortune 100 companies out of that, right? So they are pretty big in terms of like cyber security, and a lot of companies trust them on their security platform, right? And in terms of revenue, I would say as of 2024, they have annual revenue exceeding $6 billion and has a market cap of around $56 billion, right? Making it one of the largest pure play cybersecurity companies in the world. So they are pretty huge company. And in terms of the going back to the stock split, right? So they have announced, I think, they have announced 2-for-1 forward stock split, right? So if you own one share today, after the split, they wanna own two shares, a split in the price, right? Like I explained in the beginning. So they are going to take a record as of December 12th, and then after like December 16th, when the market opens, you will see the stock split adjusted price on for this company. So right now this is I think right now it's about 400. So once the split happens, this is a little bit older, but it has again increased. So after the split, you will see it $200 each. So this is still a very good company if you kind of believe in the overall AI and the tech boom, right? This is a good company to own even without the stock split. So with the stock split, definitely you will see some run up. The liquidity is going to come in, option prices are going to increase, so do take advantage of this. Okay, guys, so the final tip, right, on how to basically take advantage of these stock split phenomena, right? So one very good way to kind of take advantage of this is the IV, right? The implied volatility. So whenever these announcement happens, the implied volatility increases, and then once the stock split kind of happens, the IV drops, right? So that IV drop means the option prices are gonna drop. So what you can do is um, that this announcement happens, you can sell the option, and right after the announcement is done, you're gonna buy back that option, right? I have explained this in more detail in one of my videos, which I am gonna put the link in the description, so you can go and check out that in detail. But that's a phenomena which is called IV crush, which you can definitely take advantage for with any stock split, not just these two, but any stock split. You can take advantage of this IV crush, sell the option, buy it back right after the stock split, right? That's the way you can take advantage of any IV crush. So that was it, guys, for this video. I'm gonna find more such opportunities in the future, and I'm gonna post videos about that, how you can take. There are other ways to take advantage of this, which I'm gonna make detailed video of that. If you have not subscribed yet, guys, do subscribe it. There's a lot of informative videos already in my channel, and I'm going to make more videos. With that, happy investing, guys. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.